I had a small repair to make and no soldering iron in sight, and that moment took me back to when we used whatever we had on the workbench, which made me think a pencil might be all I needed. So I picked up that pencil, looked at it for a second, and decided to turn it into a simple tool that could get the job done. I start by trimming the tip of the pencil so the end is clean and flat. Then I spin it gently against a small sharpener to shape the front and expose more of the core. After that, I take a utility knife and shave the wood down in short controlled cuts until I reach a good length of the graphite. I keep the core as one solid piece because that's what will heat up later. Once the wood is removed, I check the core for cracks and smooth any rough spots with light pressure from my fingers. Now I have a straight usable graphite rod right at the center, and the pencil body is still long enough to hold comfortably when I turn it into a working tool. Let me know your state in the comments. It's always great to see how many DIY folks are out there. With the graphite core exposed, I take a sharp utility knife and make 2 small grooves near the front end. I cut each groove with slow, steady pressure so I don't snap the core. These shallow cuts will hold the wire later and keep it from slipping when the tool heats up. It's a simple step, but it gives you solid contact points for the power leads. Now, I grab an old phone charger that no longer works. I cut the plug off clean and strip the outer jacket to expose the 2 small wires inside, usually one yellow and one black. I trim about ½ an inch of insulation from each wire so the copper is free and easy to work with. Even a broken charger is useful here because it gives you low voltage leads that can power this simple homemade soldering tool. Next, I take a short piece of stiff copper wire and bend it into a tight U shape. I form it slowly with a pair of pliers so both legs are even and press firmly against the graphite core. This little U-clip will act like a clamp to hold the back end of the pencil tip and give the ground wire a solid connection point. Once the shape is right, I slide it over the graphite and pinch it down so it hugs the core without cracking it. It's a simple part, but it helps the whole tool stay stable when it heats up. With everything in place, I wrap the yellow wire from the charger into the front groove on the graphite core. I pull it snug so the copper sits firmly in the cut. Then I take the black wire and tighten it around the U-shaped copper clip at the back. Both connections need to sit tight so the current flows clean when the charger is plugged in. After the wires are secure, I use a bit of electrical tape to keep them close to the pencil body so nothing shifts during use. This gives you a simple, steady setup, ready to heat. And once you plug in the charger, that simple graphite tip heats up fast enough to melt solder and fix small wires around the house. It's not fancy, but it works when you need a quick solution and don't want to buy another tool. If you enjoy projects that turn everyday items into something useful, stick around. Hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss the next idea. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.